Hey, hello everyone, I'm David Guerrero and welcome back to another video here on Many Ways Films. In the video of today, I'm going to be shooting and talking about the Minolta X-370. This is a camera that I've been using now for like 6 months, something like that. This is the one that I like to use the most, or at least the one that I like the look out of the most out of my film cameras. I'm not gonna say that this is the best film camera ever because I don't know all film cameras, or I don't have a lot of experience with many film cameras, but I have experience with a few film cameras, and I've seen videos about different film cameras, and this is one that I just love the look out of it, both the camera, like the body of the camera. I also really like the design of the lenses and how many options you have lens wise. Right now I have a Portra 800. I just have a couple pictures left, but we're gonna be shooting more with it today, and I'm gonna be showing you more samples with this camera. I thought that I had like 6 or 7, but I ended up having like 3 only, which it's okay. I'm gonna go to the photo lab that's Essential Photo Supply in Salt Lake City. If you're in the city, I recommend checking it out. The people, the workers there, and the way that they process the film is just excellent. It's perfect. I love it there. So again, if you're in the area, go check it out. But what I want to say about this camera is that it's really easy to use. Right now I have it in auto mode, which is not necessarily like auto, like in like a digital camera or mirrorless camera. The way that it works is that you change the aperture. Yeah, obviously you select the ISO that you're using. In this case, I have a Portra 800, so I put it on 800, and then the camera does the rest as long as you're changing your aperture. So when you're looking into the camera, or the viewfinder, like here, which by the way looks beautiful, I have it on an aperture of 22, and I can take a picture of 1 second. But if I move it up, let's say aperture 8, then I can take 1/15th of a second. And if I go all the way to like 1.7, then with this film, I can shoot at 1/250th of a second, which is really good for a setting like this. But I would shoot it usually like at f4 for this type of lighting with this film stock. The lenses that I use for this camera, I have the 51.7. It works great. And I have a few others that you're gonna be seeing and that I'm gonna be putting down here, which one it is, that give you great image. The look out of them look really good. That's all I gotta say for this camera. Again, great. I got it for like 40-50 bucks with a couple lenses. So definitely, if you're like in a thrift store or something like that, check them out. That's where I found it. There's many websites where you can find it online as well. Definitely a camera that it's worth trying out. So thanks again for watching. If you have Any more questions about this camera, let me know down here. Just so I don't forget to mention, it uses batteries. I'm gonna put on the description which kind of batteries it uses, but it works also as a mechanical camera. So just something to have in mind. Obviously, the light meter is not gonna work without batteries. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.